Hello, my friends. Thank you for stopping by. If you like thrift flips, Dollar Tree DIYs, collaboration, easy to do, and on a budget, also seasonal DIYs, then this is the right place. Hello, my friends. My name is Aurea, and this is DIY with Aurea. And let's start with our first DIY. Beginning with our first DIY, I'm taking this picture frame apart, and I thought that I could take out all this paper out of here, but no, it was a little difficult. So I decided to take this scrap paper. I'm gonna measure it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to size. Using this glue stick, that's how I'm going to go ahead and glue the scrap paper on top of it. Isn't this beautiful? So now I'll go ahead and put this frame back together. I have this Hello Fall, and I will be giving it one coat with this black chalk paint. And I have this beautiful pumpkin from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys have found this at your local Dollar Tree. I bought two of them, one in orange and this one that's white and orange. And look at how gorgeous. I am in love with it. Earlier this year, I went to Michael's and they had grab bags, and these frames were $34.99 each, and I purchased 5 of them for $5. I was super duper happy. I'm gonna give one coat of white chalk paint to the entire piece. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side so it can finish drying. And then I'm gonna come back with some pumpkins. I'm gonna take this pumpkin, these are all from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take this orange acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm also gonna mix it with some white chalk paint, only because that orange is a little too bright for me. So creating this mixture, I am going to give it one coat to all 3 of these sections. And now the borders, I'm gonna paint it with this khaki color, and it's from Apple Barrel, and it is acrylic paint. I'll give it one coat. And I'll give it one coat of this brown acrylic paint, and I'll be painting the entire stamp. I have this white and orange ribbon, and I'm gonna be making just a simple bow, and I'll be hot gluing it right on top of here. Look at how gorgeous. This is all coming together. And I also made one with jute twine, and I will also glue it right on top of this orange one. Look at how absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Now this, I've had this for I don't know how long, and I just did not know what to do. I'm gonna take it apart, and I'll be using one pumpkin. The rest of the pieces I'll just put away for a future project. I'm gonna paint the pumpkin with both of the same colors, khaki and the mixture of orange and white. painted the stamp in brown. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these window clings and I'm gonna take the sleeve, and this is where I am going to go ahead and glue it up here with a little bit of Mod Podge. And I also added a bow with jute twine. Now I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm coming back with this third pumpkin. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the entire pumpkin with the color Khaki, and then I have again the same ribbon, and I'm gonna make a small bow and I'm gonna glue it right on top of here. And yes, I am going to be using some more window clings. I have this beautiful leaf. It's orange and it goes perfect with these colors. A little bit of Mod Podge and we are all done with this beautiful pumpkin. So this metal sign is from Dollar Tree. I had painted previously in white, but now I'm gonna go ahead and paint it again with the same khaki color that we've been using, and I'll give it one coat. And now that everything is dry, let's start assembling this beautiful picture frame. I'm gonna put a lot of hot glue on this big pumpkin, and we are going to put it right down here. And then the second pumpkin, which is the medium pumpkin, I'm going to put it in the middle and we'll glue it right above the big one. I love these colors. Oh my God, I am so in love. Let me know in the comment section if you like this just as much as I like it. Oh my God, I think this is my favorite. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the smaller pumpkin right here and also the galvanized word. And guys, if you have not subscribed, I would love for you to be part of this channel. And also I have more DIY videos that I am going to be releasing soon. And if you are not subscribed, you will miss it. And I would hate for that to happen. I would love to see you again. So please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification button, so like that YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video. And don't forget that big thumbs up. And for the next project, I have this giant mason jar, and I will begin by giving it one coat with the same mixture of paint that we've been using throughout the video. And again, I will be giving it one coat. And now I'm going to give it one coat on the top of the mason jar with this color Khaki. And now using this window cling, I will be applying a little bit of Mod Podge and I will be placing it on top of the mason jar. So after I applied the khaki color on top, I decided to place this thick ribbon, and also I have this big leather leaf that I will be giving it one coat with the same khaki color, and then I'll be placing it right by the ribbon. I don't know what happened to my camera, but it was getting foggy, but I decided to leave this clip here so you guys could see how I decorated. And I also have this foam little flower from Dollar Tree. It comes in this little package, and I will be placing it right by the leaf. And this is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this simple DIY, and if you did, don't forget that big thumbs up. And now for our next DIY. I purchased this picture frame at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna give it one coat of this white chalk paint. And I have this Hello Autumn that I'm going to be recycling, and I'm gonna give it 2 coats of this khaki color. I'll be putting it to the side so it could dry. And now with this little pumpkin, I'm gonna give it 1 coat of this mixture. And I'll be giving it 1 coat of this acrylic brown paint, and I'll be painting the stem. And now coming back with some more of this orange ribbon, and I'm gonna glue it right here by the stem. And I also have a raffia bowl, and I'm gonna glue it right on top of the orange one. I think this is looking beautiful. And these little bitty grapes, a little bit of hot glue, and I'm gonna glue it right here. I'm gonna trim it down a little, and now it's time to assemble this beautiful frame. So I used a little bit of hot glue with some Jenga block or a Jenga block, and I'm gonna put it right here. And then that autumn sign that we painted earlier, I'm just gonna glue it right above the pumpkin. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. And with the same khaki color, I just came back and distressed the frame just a bit. And once again, thank you for staying until the end of the video. And I am hoping that you do enjoy all these DIYs. And if you do, make sure to share it with the world. And don't forget that big thumbs up. I'll see you soon.